Hi guys, OneCrazyFamily here. Today we are going to take a tour of the chocolate factory in St. Louis, Missouri. They make lots of good stuff inside. You can just smell the chocolate. It's amazing.
You can smell it everywhere.
Everywhere. So you know what? Let's go see
what we can see.
Good job. Ladies first. Money doesn't buy happiness, but it does buy chocolate, which is kind of the same thing. So to celebrate Valentine's Day, we thought it would be fun to go on a chocolate factory tour here at Chocolate Company in St. Louis. And it looks like they're all ready for Valentine's Day here. Some Valentine's Day collection box chocolates, a chocolate diamond ring, some heart-shaped chocolate suckers, and even chocolate rose suckers. Looks like they make just about everything out of chocolate here. Letters, numbers, dog biscuits. Wedding bells. Get well cards. Chocolate arches. There's definitely a lot to look at here in the gift shop, including a bit of non-chocolatey merch too. But seriously, back to the chocolate. There's also Bissinger's, which is now owned by the Chocolate Company as well. And this candy counter is something straight out of a kid's dream. Just look at all of these beauties. Now that our mouths are watering, let's go take that factory tour. And the best thing is the tour is free. They allow photos to be taken during the tour, but no filming. So we're going to share some pictures of what we took. We have a link in the description below this video to their website with the current days and hours the tours are offered. All those chocolatiers are hard at work, while visitors get to learn some history of the Chocolate Company. We got a peek inside the candy kitchen, then watched as caramels were being cut. It's really interesting to be able to hear and see the different stages of the process. Then it was off to observe some of the chocolate lines. Everything looked so precise, as well as delicious. So luckily, we got to pick out our sample from a variety of chocolates they make here. Then we got to try our hand at stirring some pretend chocolate in the copper pot. The tour lasted about 20 minutes and ended up with viewing various antique machinery. It was fun and very informative. Well worth doing if you have the chance. We picked up some of those chocolate goodies after the tour, but we couldn't leave before getting a fortune from Zoltar.
Pay attention now. Men of genius are admired. Men of wealth are envied. Men of power are feared. But only men of character are trusted. And you know, it never hurts to bribe your friends on sometimes. For example, give me a bit more cash and I will give you your fortune.
What? What'd you get?
Read it.
Your fortune.
What does it say?
Monkeys. Whoa. Thank you guys for joining us. Click that thumbs up if you like chocolate or Zoltar as much as we do. If you'd like to join us on more of our adventures, be sure to subscribe below and turn on notifications. We have some exciting stuff coming up soon that we can't wait to share with you.